moon. This is a solar panel and it is a rover. Here this is also solar panel. These are all cameras. Here engines will be there. And this is the rover. It moves on the moon and studies on the soil and the temperature on the moon. Thank you. At the center, there is a big sun. It gives light and heat. Around the sun, there are planets moving round and round, just like a rounding a circle when we play. How many planets are there in our solar system? There are 8 planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system. First one, Mercury. It is the closest planet to the sun and it is the smallest planet. Next, Venus. It is the hottest planet. Earth. Earth is our home planet. Mars. It is the red planet. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Saturn. It is the beautiful rings known as ring planet. Uranus. It is the cold planet. Neptune. It is the far and windy planet. So the children, solar system is like a big family. With the sun is the head of the all planets moving around it. Janu, how many planets are there in our solar system?
8.
Which is the living planet? Which is the smallest planet?
Mercury.
Which is the largest planet?
Jupiter.
Which is the ring planet?
Saturn.
Which is the far planet?
Neptune.
Which is the nearest planet to the sun?
Mercury.
Which is the red planet?
Mars.
Designed by
Planet
Vikram.
named Vikram and a small rover called Pradip. Unfortunately,
During it was a landed attack, the signals was not their children.
and couldn't reach the
It
moon
was a
surface
fail.
as planned due to a small error.
And after that, K. Shivam, then the chairman of ISRO.
Despite this, no
Again, the third time, Chandrayaan 3.
terror or his team. The setback not only disheartening for the ISRO scientists, but also a poignant moment.
It was a very big
Yes, it's
struggle for everyone, and India people were waiting with Chandrayaan. And it was a big challenge to Indian people also.
on their next venture.
This is Chandrayaan 3.
Then on the remarkable day of July 14th,
And on 2003, July 14,
M3, heavy
Chandrayaan